Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check your tax refund status in Canada. The fastest way to check your refund status is by using the official CRA online services. You can do this on a computer or a mobile phone. To begin, go to the CRA My Account website and sign in using your user ID and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to register and verify your identity. After logging in, go to the main dashboard. Look for the Progress Tracker section. This area shows the exact stage of your tax return, including whether it is received under review or completed. You can also view your refund history and your notice of assessment inside the same account. These documents help you understand how your return was processed. If you prefer using a phone, download the MyCRA mobile app. It offers similar features, including refund tracking and account messages from CRA. Sometimes delays happen if additional review is required or if information is missing from your return. Always make sure your account details are correct and check back regularly for updates. Once your refund is approved, you will see the payment status and expected deposit date. Thanks for watching.